A tourniquet should be used, if available, when life-threatening bleeding exists on an arm or leg, and standard first aid procedures fail or are not practical.
Apply pressure here.
All right, I got it.
Tourniquets can be painful. If you must apply a tourniquet, make sure the person understands the reason for the tourniquet and warn the person that it might be painful. To begin, place the tourniquet around the limb, approximately 2 inches above the wound. Avoid placing the tourniquet over a joint. Route the tag end of the strap through the buckle, or attach the quick connect buckle and pull the strap until tight around the arm or leg. Tighten the tourniquet by twisting the rod until the flow of bright red blood stops. Then, secure the rod in place using the clip or holder. If bleeding restarts or the tourniquet is ineffective, apply more pressure and tighten tourniquet, but do not remove it. Note and record the time that you applied the tourniquet, and give this information to EMS personnel when they arrive. Continue to care for the person. Monitor for shock until EMS personnel arrive.